my favorite little sandwich shop, Luigi's. I don't know if you can see that out of the window there. Luigi's here. And of course, my favorite, their world famous garbage grinder. Onions, green peppers, tomatoes, meats, of course, whatever the meats are, I forget what's on here. Ham, pepperoni, something else, gotta add some salt, pepper. I already put my Parmesan on there, and my crushed red pepper. Get that for. So I was sitting here outside enjoying my sandwich at my favorite right across from the and this is only half my sandwich. The other half they're putting to go because I can't eat a whole sandwich at once right now. After the third radio, tummy doesn't want to eat that much food at once, but oh, these are so good. So, once again, there it is, the world famous garbage grinder. Just delicious. Fold this puppy over. It comes warm right. Ow! Ow! More than warm, hot right out of the oven. So, that's what I ate last. And of course, I had a Mountain Dew to go with it. So, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.